We got somebody over here. Hey, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Put your hands up now.
Put your hands up.
On April 13th, 2025, around 10:12 p.m., Joliet, Illinois Police Department responded to a report of a man trying to force his way into an occupied apartment. When police located the suspect, he resisted arrest, leading to multiple charges including disorderly conduct, criminal trespass, 4 counts of resisting arrest, and obstructing a peace officer.
We got somebody over here. Hey, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Put your hands up now.
Put your hands up. Put your hands on the fence right now. You gotta cover up.
Yep.
Put your hands on the fence right now. You gotta cover up. Put your hands on. Put your hands on your. Like I'm not playing with you, dude. You can reach for nothing. Don't reach for nothing, dude.
I got a hand. I got a hand.
Bro, stop resisting. Stop fucking resisting, bro.
Sit there, what? Sit there, got him. That's it. Yeah, if you don't give your hands back,
I got his hand. Daddy, get his hand. Oh my gosh, shut the up.
Stand by, we're trying to
Can you get the camera now? Yeah, the sprinkler was on it.
You're good. I'm not doing my hair just like that. My hair just flew. Stop! 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 Stop!
One detained at 2218.
Stop!
He's not resisting at this point.
Oh my God!
Someone check
Jones, you got me?
You overdoing me.
I got his hands.
I got shit.
I'm not feeling anything.
I know I got shit. I got shit. Stop doing overdoing me. Do that shit.
Then stop acting all squirrely, dude.
I got shit.
Stop acting all squirrely then.
Stop! Stop!
Get up!
Stop! Stop!
One detained at 2218.
Stop!
He's under arrest for resistance.
Jones, you got me?
Go! Get your ass go! You overdoing me.
I got his hands.
I got shit.
I'm not feeling anything.
I know I got shit. I got shit. Stop doing overdoing me. Do that shit.
Stop acting all squirrely, dude.
I got shit.
Stop acting all squirrely then.
Man, got my handcuffs too tight.
Shut up!
Fuck up my fucking finger again. I should have been.
He's good on my shot. Nothing on his waistband?
No.
Alright, come on, I got you. Yeah, you wish you count some of them. I got some shit. Dweeb.
Someone pick up a flashlight.
Somebody say
Yeah.
Dweeb.
You're under arrest, Chuck.
Yeah.
25.
I'm on my way, go! I'm finna
Keep walking.
I got shit up to do. No, listen to got the handcuffs on. My appetizer hand. I swear to God, my appetizer hand coming off. I swear to God. I ain't gonna never have appetizer.
Stop resisting.
I ain't never resist from you, bro. I ain't gonna fuck you.
You're not listening.
You think I'm ready to get this from you? I ain't that straight. I'm fucking God.
Can I get light over here, please?
You're Andre, aren't you?
Yeah.
Just that we'll do at Lowe's, please.
Yo.
Andre Ross?
You might have a knife on, so. Where's the knife, man? Dude, stop turning it in my face. The next time you turn my face, I'm putting you on the ground. Knock it off. Stand up. Be a fucking adult, dude. Just stand up.
I ain't did nothing, bro. I swear to God.
Oh, you can. Stop doing it. Come on. Here's the what's going on. Scott.
Why is this doing me? Oh! I'm not.
Have a seat.
I just want my
Have a seat, dude. I'm not playing with you. Fuck down.
Yes, sir. I know. Yes, sir.
The suspect was taken into custody and later booked into the Will County Jail on multiple charges, including disorderly conduct, criminal trespass, resisting arrest, and obstructing a peace officer. As always, all charges are allegations, and the individual is presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This footage is shared for educational and public awareness purposes to show the real-world situations officers respond to every day. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more police body cam footage and case breakdowns. Thanks for watching.